Hamburg, Germany's second-largest city and a bustling metropolis, offers a rich tapestry of experiences that combine maritime heritage, cultural diversity, and modern innovation. Nestled along the Elbe River and home to one of Europe's largest ports, Hamburg's dynamic atmosphere encompasses historic landmarks, artistic expressions, culinary delights, and a vibrant urban scene. The Speicherstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases Hamburg's maritime legacy through a complex of historic warehouses adorned with red brick facades and intricate architectural details. This enchanting district, crisscrossed by canals and bridges, is a hub of museums, shops, and cafes, inviting visitors to immerse in its history and charm. The Elbe Philharmonie, an architectural marvel and concert hall, stands as an emblem of modern Hamburg. Its glass structure and wave-like design offer stunning panoramic views of the city and harbor. The venue hosts world-class performances that span classical music, contemporary compositions, and everything in between. The bustling port of Hamburg, one of Europe's major trade hubs, is a sight to behold. The St. Pauli Piers and Landungsbrücken area provide an opportunity to witness the comings and goings of ships, as well as enjoy boat tours along the Elbe River that offer unique perspectives of the city's skyline. The Reeperbahn, Hamburg's famous entertainment district, comes alive at night with its theaters, bars, clubs, and lively atmosphere. Known for its association with the Beatles' early career, the area's diverse offerings cater to a range of tastes, from live music to theater performances. Hamburg's commitment to the arts is evident in its museums and galleries. The Kunsthalle Hamburg, one of the most important art museums in Germany, houses an extensive collection that spans centuries and styles. The Dichterhallen, a modern art center, hosts exhibitions that showcase contemporary works and artistic innovation. For a taste of local flavors, the Fischmarkt, an iconic open-air market, offers a vibrant experience where visitors can sample fresh seafood, produce, and a variety of goods. The city's culinary scene, which combines traditional German fare with international influences, is reflected in its diverse restaurants, street food markets, and Michelin-starred establishments. Hamburg's parks and green spaces provide a retreat from the urban bustle. The Planten und Blumen Botanical Garden is a tranquil oasis with vibrant flower displays, water features, and evening light shows. The Auster Lake, surrounded by parks and walkways, offers opportunities for boat rides, picnics, and leisurely strolls. Hamburg captures the essence of a dynamic city that bridges its maritime heritage with modern creativity. Whether it's exploring historic landmarks, indulging in cultural experiences, savoring culinary delights, or simply embracing the vibrant urban vibe, Hamburg invites travelers to embark on a journey that reflects the spirit of Germany's northern gem.